Hey everyone, I'm going to do a quick unboxing. I just got a couple Bibles that I purchased on eBay, and we're going to have a look at them. I'll start with this bigger one. So these are two I have not seen before. So probably just do that. Yeah, I have this knife here. I don't even think I need it. We're doing this outside just for something different. Been stuck indoors all day, so there we go. Yep. This is 1973 New Oxford Annotated Bible. So this is the original, not the original Oxford Annotated Bible, but the original New Oxford Annotated Bible. And then I guess, they couldn't just keep adding the word new on, so it's just been known by that name since. So there's a name written, very small. I was told both these Bibles are like new, so yeah, I'd say at a quick glance, yeah, this looks really nice. I have the original, the Oxford Annotated Bible from 1962. So this is the one that followed. This one does not have the Apocrypha, I don't think. Looks nice. I like the print quality. The paper looks good. So I'll do a video on this probably at some point, compare it to the original. It's a revised standard version. Yeah, I'd say that's like new. Oops, sorry. I didn't think to lock the exposure again. Seeing 6273. Yeah, so this has right there 1971. This is the second edition of the New Testament RSV translation, so it's a little different from the original. And then I'm pretty sure they never ended up doing a revision to the Old Testament, because then they ended up putting out the NRSV instead. So that's mainly why I wanted this, because it is a slightly different RSV that I did not have. I have a couple, and they were both the original New Testament. Oh, I forgot to mention, this was $1 plus shipping. So this one was $2 plus shipping. This was someone on eBay. She had several Bibles that she was selling very inexpensively, and I might have bought one or two more, but she does not combine shipping. So I don't know why not, because she wasn't charging much more than they actually cost to ship. So she must just prefer to package them one at a time. But so anyways, I bought two. This one was $2. Holy Bible. This is a Cokesbury NRSV. It's like I think it's like a gift. There we go, sharp. I think it's like a gift and award kind of Bible. It's from what I understand, it's either a bonded leather or faux leather. I'm not sure which. We'll just see that there. Now you can kind of see the fake grain. But I've seen a few people mention these are nice, and I thought, well, why not? I'll get one and see. Gilding's not too bad. Like I said, this one was also described as like new. I have not seen one of these before, so it was given to someone in 2001, so might give us an idea about how old it is. Let's see. Yeah, it doesn't really. This is published by Zondervan, printed in the U.S. I know it mentions it has study helps. Looks like, yeah, there's going to be some different articles here. Oh wow, that's kind of neat. It looks like actually there's quite a few things there. History of the Bible, canon, authority, centrality of scripture, yeah. Major themes, kind of just some brief points. So I'll be interested to see, kind of look through that and see what it says. I'll do a review of this Bible too at some point. So here's to the so this is the NRSV preface. Yep, there's Bruce Metzger. And we have Old Testament, so we can see double column, no references. We do have the translation notes. It's like books do not start on a new page, which is fine. Print looks pretty good. Yeah, I don't see that it's I don't see like any bad ghosting or anything. Actually, that looks really nice, really readable. And yeah, I'm glad I picked this up. This one was, I think I said the Oxford was $1 and this one was $2. It might be the other way around. Doesn't matter. Basically, I paid $3 plus shipping for these. I think it was about $11 total. Some color maps. Yeah, they're not, they're not Oxford maps, but the cover is really, really thin. It feels very, yeah, it does not feel very sturdy at all. Yeah, it's not marked. Like I say, I can't remember if it was bonded leather or fake exposure. Anyways, I like this. I like the size of it. So if you're, here's the New Oxford, which has, of course, notes. You can see quite a bit thinner, not as tall, and just a little less wide. This, I don't have a measuring tape with me. I should. I'm currently working on my living room, but this seems like a nice size to carry. Might be something I just leave in my truck, take to church. I'll have to see how it compares with some others I have, but not bad for about, I think, $11 with shipping and everything for the two of these. Pretty happy with that. Been doing a lot of eBay lately because I'm going to some bookstores, but there's area I'm in has been hit pretty hard with coronavirus, so I'm not going to a lot of places, not like I would like to. So pretty cool. Pretty happy with these. I'll review them at some point. Anyways, thanks for watching.